Hello. Oh, this week I can chew that about. Just for less that about featured planes. My name is Eliandra Margarita Redondo Cruz. Churro Sebastián Osorio. Number of your collaborating group. Decrease in no education. National Open and Distinct University. Introduction. In this week, I will talk about my plans for the future expectation, personal and professional life, to a fashion, colors, future plans. Expectations. By the years today and qualified, I will have confirmed my professional clearly. By today and one says I will have entered through war in en yoquisno en tudiction. Personal and professional life. After finishing university by the year 2007, I will have found a job. I must have had a long the audition. My clothes look bit bad. I bet sorry my family. Future plans of the working in an education institution in half my time. I would have invested my destiny. I will have built my artisan micro enterprise. I will be a professional teacher. Can crisis the course in language English contrary to the exposition learning of many times. No language chat activities understands themselves. Bibliography. Thank